And so, in my continuing effort to make my life as difficult as I possibly can, I dug that yesterday. It's right at the level that I want it to be. And then it rained. I don't see exactly where that water seeped in from, so I'm assuming it came from over here, even though I've piled a bunch of dirt on the other side of that wall to try and keep water from coming this direction. It still seems to be. So I'm in a bind. I've got to keep this water out of there long enough to finish digging. Right now, that's perfect, except for the water. That's mud. Clay mud, to be exact, so it's slippery as hell. Anyway, that's my life, folks. And that's the hole as it stands here a little over a year after I started it. I think I'll try and move some of this dirt today off. Probably go at it back behind the greenhouse and see if I can push the water further away. That's all I can do, really, until I can get the trencher I need to, do the trench stuff I want to, that people were supposed to help me with, but never did. Orchid's still alive. Yay. Anyway, that's my video for today. It's not happy. Goodbye.